welcome to another episode of the prestigious landed home series by AAG Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772. I'm Gerald.
And I'm Agnes. Today we are at the prestigious Broadrick in District 15. We have recently sold one of these two stunning brand new detached houses.
And you are in luck today to have a peek inside this last unit available. Get ready to be amazed by this luxurious home that perfectly blends heritage and modernity.
Located in a bungalow zone with a land area of 6,338 square feet and a built-up area of approximately 9,256 square feet, this two-story plus attic home stands out with its wide frontage and elegant design. This beautiful facade, inspired by colonial era black and white bungalows, is a true tribute to Singapore's rich architectural history.
Take a look at this spacious car porch. You can easily park 3 to 4 cars here, which is perfect for families with multiple vehicles. Capture the essence of a colonial house where the architect crafted the front staircase with these distinctive balusters, a rare and unique feature in modern designs.
As we step inside, you're immediately welcomed by a vast and elegant living and dining area. Look at this marble flooring, specially selected from Carrara, Italy, adding a touch of class and elegance to the space.
Dining areas flows seamlessly from the living room, making it ideal for entertaining. And you will fall in love with this kitchen. Featuring both a dry and wet kitchen, equipped with top-of-the-line European appliances from Colonial, Bosch and La Bière. These spaces are not only stunning, but also incredibly functional.
Step outside to your personal oasis. This stunning swimming pool is perfect for cooling off or hosting poolside gatherings.
And check out this glass lift. It not only offers convenience, but also gives you stunning views of the courtyard and the pool.
The second level houses the luxurious master bedroom and 3 spacious common bedrooms. This house is designed with full-height glass windows and doors on the sides, flooding the interior with natural lights.
The master bedroom is expansive and opens up to a private balcony. It is designed with spaciousness and luxury in mind. The master bathroom showcases a stunning feature wall of Carrara marble. Each common bedroom is generously sized and features full-height glass windows, filling the rooms with natural light and offering beautiful views.
The attic level features a junior master bedroom and a versatile family room. The junior master is spacious with a private balcony that overlooks the stunning landed property view. The family room provides a blank canvas that can be turned into an entertainment room, a private gym, or an extra bedroom. The choice is yours.
This house is located in a quiet and prime location, yet shopping and dining options are endless with Parkway Parade, Katong I-12 and Katong Shopping Centre all nearby. And for beach and nature lovers, East Coast Park is just a leisure stroll away. A short walk will bring you to Katong Park MRT and Tanjong Katong MRT stations. Easy access to the ECP will bring you to the city or airport within minutes drives.
Brand new detached house for sale in District 15 are rare to come by. Don't miss this opportunity to own a piece of heritage in the Mountbatten estate, a prime location in the east where many old wealthy families had beachfront homes in the late 19th to early 20th centuries. Contact us now to schedule for an exclusive home tour today. AAG Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.